Today I'm going to show you how I create this holiday glam inspired look using this beautiful eyeshadow palette by Rare Beauty. Is it called Confident Energy? And also I have 3 lip combinations that I'm going to show you on today's video. This is the last one, so stay tuned for the other 2. I decided to try today for you some of my bougiest lippies that I own in my collection, so if you want to see what are those, just stay tuned. And other than that, I hope you enjoy, you'll stick around and you'll subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much if you do that. And now let's get back to business. Alright you guys, I am ready now to try all these goodies. I have a lot of products in front of me. I don't want to ramble too much and make this video too long. I just want to let you know that we have an exceptional sunny day outside today. When I'm filming is December 10 and we just had a snow. Now the snow is quite bigger than the first one that we had in the beginning of month, or I think it was in the end of November, and now the sun is shining and I have a very beautiful natural light. I've even switched off my second studio light because I was feeling that I have enough light, and I think I should also turn down my ring light. Like so. I just want to be all natural, so I don't have anything new. I'm going to use my Smashbox primer, and I am tempted to play with this beautiful Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette that I got a while ago from BoxyCharm, but since we don't have neutral shades, I thought I will bring this Wet n Wild Coloricon palette to compensate for the transition shades. And I have of course my reference brushes, and not only. I'm going to take the reference 15 and this shade to set my eyeshadow primer. Keeping the same brush, I'm going to take this transition shade. I'm tempted to do 2 looks, but I need to go out, so I cannot have one eye one color and the other eye different color. So one day I'm going to do that. Okay, there is some kickoff on the pan, but the shadow blends smoothly. Let's see what we have to work here, and I'll decide if I need some more help from the Wet n Wild palette. So this is the palette called Confident Energy, and it has this gorgeous shifting packaging. I don't think so that camera makes justice, and you only have shimmery shades and a big mirror. So let's see what I want to do. I want to play with the blue, or maybe I'm going to do the green. Oh, this is very pigmented. And I don't have the brush wet. I'm going to insert some swatches for this palette. So placing this in the center. I'm going to take a reference 02. Now going back to reference 15 just to blend. Or maybe I will take a smaller one. This is also 15. No, a reference 14 is better. I need something to blend on the crease. Taking a reference 03, I'm going to add this shade on my inner corner. So I'm going to use my trustful Wet n Wild liquid liner, and also I'm going to do mascara. I was not a big fan of how my eyes were looking like with this purple line in my waterline, because also having black liner on the top, I was feeling that it was closing too much my eyes. So what I did, I have cleaned as much as I could the liner using this small brush from Refer, and then I took the Charlotte Tilbury color Cameleon Champaigne chubby stick and I added that on the lower lashes. But I still didn't like my look, so I went and added a pair of lashes. Those I think are by Ardell. I could not tell because I am keeping them in this container. I don't know exactly what happened with their original packaging, but I think they were by Ardell, their wispy lashes. So this is everything, and I was reminded how much I love this Urban Decay Brow Blade in the shade Neutral Nana. Just I don't use it too much because I don't find the shade it's really flattering me. I much rather prefer to have a cool tone, but that pencil is fantastic. I think it's one of the best I've tried. So I'm going to use a foundation that I received as a sample, and I'm going to apply it using my regular beauty sponge. Just I need to decide which one I'm going to use. I have the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Eclat. Then I have the Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. I have one from Romania. This is by Gero Vital. I think I'm going to do the Romanian one. The last one is by ABH, the Luminous Foundation. So I've applied a primer. I don't know if I said prior to that. This is how it looks like, and it seems the shade will be appropriate for me. But this is a Romanian very good skincare brand, and they do also have makeup. Oh my god, it looks flawless. It's very, how to say, it sets immediately, but doesn't look dry. So it's matte, but doesn't look flat. I have a bronzer that I want to use on camera. I have already used it. This is by Persona Cosmetics, and I also got it from BoxyCharm, from the pop-up. This is in the shade Dune. Now this shade, it's a little bit warmer for me as of now. But oh my god, I like it more than I was loving my Milk one. I have some products from Rare Beauty. Oh no, now I remember. I wanted to try the mascara, so it will be for another video. But I have a liquid lipstick. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but I have a brush. I always say brush. I have a liquid blush and a liquid highlighter. So, starting with the blush. This is in the shade Joy. I featured this set in my I didn't put too much in my gift guide video. Okay, I think I over applied the blush. Doesn't look so much on camera, but the highlighter is in the shade Mesmerize. I'm going to add some bronzer on the top, some powder bronzer, and it will fit the situation. I have some new setting powders to try. So I have the NYX HD Studio Finishing Powder and this one from Hourglass, the Mineral Veil. I don't know for sure what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to use this on one side of the face because I also have a new foundation, so I cannot judge just for that whether the foundation or the powder is not good. So I think I'm going to do that. Add this on my left side. This is how it looks like. It's translucent, but it's not white. I'm going to apply it using this refer brush. And for my right side of the face, I'm going to use my regular Catrice Nude Illusion. Absolutely loving this brush by BH Cosmetics. Unfortunately, this was in a set that I purchased, I'll say, many years ago, maybe 2-3 years. Usually those brushes, you buy them once. They are like limited edition, but it's an excellent shape. I don't have any brush like this in my collection. I'm going to try this Hanali bronzer that I got in BoxyCharm. Gorgeous packaging, and I love the fact that it doesn't have a mirror because I can show it on camera and it will not blind you guys. I think I should skip the blush, but considering that we have this Georgia blush by Benefit, which is not that pigmented but has a sheen to it, I'm going to apply it and it will serve as blush and highlighter because I've added way too much Rare Beauty product. Now with a clean brush I'm going to take finishing powder from Hourglass palette and I'm going to dust all over my face and give it a spritz of a setting spray. For my lips, those are all the new stuff that I wanted to try on camera, so I think I'm going to do multiple lip variants. Starting with Nude. This is a Dose of Colors lip crayon. It's a bit nude for me, but the formula it's nice. So I have this Chanel Rouge Allure, shaded Rouge Brûlant. Keeping the same lip liner by Dose of Colors, I am now going to try the second bougie or bougiest lipstick. Probably this is the bougiest one. It's by Tom Ford. I bought them in the summer, but I did not have the time to try them on camera. Oh, this is so bright. This it will work for the summer. I don't think so that it's an appropriate shade for winter. I feel sorry that I need to remove my Tom Ford lipstick. I have two more lipsticks to try. This is too bright. This is by Laura Mercier. I'm not going to add it. I've already shown this in my haul. I hope the haul is already up. So I have left with this Milk makeup in the shade Bubble. It's really matching the lip liner. You will be able to use this even without having a lip liner. It's very sheer. But if you want to be bougie, you can add on the top a balm. This is by Tower 28. What do you think, guys? Okay, let me know in your comment section down below which one of the lip options you loved more for this look. But that's everything. Now, there are a lot of products that I have tried. I'm going to maybe leave a pinned comment or add it in the description box because I don't want to make this video way too long, but I want to let you know that I love so much the eyeshadow palette. I thought it's a winner and I'm going to use it with other shades and other combinations, so you are going to see me maybe on my Instagram account. I'm going to create more looks. I hope you enjoyed watching this holiday inspired glam makeup look. Please let me know what was your favorite product of today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you all have a fantastic holiday time. Merry Christmas in case this video is going to be posted around Christmas, and I'm going to see you very soon on my next video. Bye guys! Lippies that I decided to try today for you some of my bougie lipstick. I decided to try today for you my